organization customer is a base. Okay, now. So now here in this case, when coming to the lead is nothing but the person who just showed interest in your product or service. Once the lead person is ready to buy the product, then we are converting the lead as our customer. Okay, now, so the customer details we are storing inside a record called as account record, because in future if I want to communicate with my customer also, so at that time, how can we communicate? We need to collect the customer details, so that to store the customer's data, it is having an account record. So account record contains the basic details of the customer. Like for example, it contains the name of the customer. It contains the industry, to which industry the customer is associated, whether he belongs to banking industry, financial industry, manufacturing industry, or healthcare industry, or whether he is working in an IT company or government sector or what, where he is working here. Next, now the annual revenue of the customer. Annual revenue. Now rating of the customer. For every customer, we are giving some rating. Depends upon the revenue we have generated, depends upon the number of products the customer has purchased, we are giving some good rating here. If the customer is purchasing more products, we are giving more rating. So based on that rating, we are giving some discounts also next time here. Okay, now type of the customer also, what type of customer he is. Now, whatever the company he is working right now, so what is the ownership of that company here? Is it a public organization? Is it a private organization? Is it a subsidiary or what? And then phone number of the customer, fax number of the customer, website name of the customer. If the customer is having his own personal website, we are collecting that website name also over here. We are collecting the billing address of the customer. We are collecting the shipping address of the customer here. And then we are going to be collecting the priority, customer priority here. And the active status of the customer. Whether the customer is still active or not, we can collect all this data over here. So this whole data will be storing inside account record. So account means customer. Account record contains basic details of the customer, which includes name of the customer, rating value, industry, annual revenue, type of the customer, ownership, phone number, fax number, website, billing address, shipping address, priority, active status, all these details we are storing inside this account record. Okay. So account record contains the basic details of your customer. Clear? Now, second one. What is the second record? Contact record. Now, next one, contact record. Now tell me what this contact record contains. What did you understood with this word contact record? Right. So now in future, if you want to communicate with the customer, what communication details are required? What contact details are required? All those information will be available inside that contact record. So contact record contains the contact details of the customer here. Contact details of the customer. In order to communicate with the customer in future, what kind of contact details are required? All those details will be available inside this contact record. Like the first name of the contact person, last name of the contact person, salutation like as Mr. or Miss or Mrs. whatever, and then title of the contact person, that means a designation. Okay, designation. And then birth date of the contact person, phone number of the contact person, fax number of the contact person, mobile number of the contact person, home phone of the contact person, Other phone of the contact person, if it is having any business, in his shop, if he is having any other phone number, we can able to store that other phone numbers also to communicate. Suppose if that customer is a very VIP person or a very celebrity, at that time they will be having their own assistants. At that time, assistant phone number also, and the email ID of that phone number customer, mailing address of the customer, all this data will be getting stored inside this contact record. So contact record contains contact details of the customer. In order to communicate with the customer in future, what contact details are required, all those details will be available inside this contact record over here. Okay, next. What is the last record here? Opportunity record. So what exactly the opportunity record contains over here? Now, basically, opportunity record is purely dealing with revenue. That means money. Okay, money. Now, in this case, opportunity record contains how much business we did with the customer, how much revenue we have generated with the customer. Those details are available inside the opportunity record over here. Now, let me give you one small general scenario to understand the opportunity record, okay, especially. Now, so what exactly an opportunity, what it contains, let me explain over here. Now, come to a small scenario. Assume that today morning I went to a supermarket. Today morning I went to a supermarket to buy some products, some vegetables, fruits also, grocery items, whatever I want. I'm purchasing some items over here. I went to the supermarket. I have collected a small tub or nothing but a small basket or a trolley. I went to the various areas of the shopping mall. I have collected so many vegetables, fruits, and grocery items, everything. So once you have collected all the items, then we have to make the payment, right? Yes. We went to the billing counter here. Okay, I went to the billing counter. There is a salesperson is available. He is collecting each and every item from the basket. He is generating the bill over here. Okay, now they're generating the bill like this. Like for example, they're generating the bill some potato, like some 1 kg, which will be some 50 rupees, and then some mangoes, 1 kg, which will be some 150 rupees, and some orange, some 2 kg, which will be some 100 rupees. Apples, 2 kg, which will be some 400 rupees. Then there is a shampoo bottle here, which is of some 300 rupees. Now, these are the items I'm purchasing here. Finally, they're generating the bill over here. Okay, now this is the total bill amount. They're indicating the bill amount. So what is the bill amount over here? 700, 800, 950, and then 1000 rupees. Okay, 1000 rupees here. So this is the bill amount here. Now they are going to be generating the bill like this here. So now whenever you are doing any shopping, whenever you are purchasing any item from a supermarket also, restaurant also, any shopping mall, wherever you go, whatever the bill they have generated, this bill is called as an opportunity. The bill is called as an opportunity. Generally, we are calling it as invoice. Now this invoice or the bill is called as an opportunity here. So what this opportunity contains, opportunity indicates what products the customer has purchased here. What is the quantity of items the customer has purchased here? How much revenue we have generated from this customer here? On what date? That means it will be having the date also. Like for example, 11/2022. It will be having the date also. On what date we have generated this revenue? The whole information is available inside this bill. So this whole bill is called as an opportunity record. Opportunity record is dealing with the money. That means how much revenue we have generated with the customer, how much business we did with the customer, how many products the customer has purchased, what products he has purchased, and what date he has purchased. Everything will be available inside this opportunity record over here. Okay, simply whatever the bill that we have, that bill is called as an opportunity. Okay, these are the customer's requirements here. These are the customer's requirement. These are the various products he is expecting to buy. Okay, now, so in this case, when coming to the opportunity record, whatever the bill that we have, in this bill, we are having each and every product. Each and every product which you have added to the bill, this is called as a line item. This is called as a line item here. This is a line item. This is the second line item. This is the third line item. This is the fourth line item. Like that here, within one opportunity, multiple line items will be available. That means the products which you have purchased, okay, this each and every product is called as line item over here. Okay. Now, so in this case, when coming to the opportunity record, it is purely dealing with the money, which describes how much revenue we have generated from the customer, how much of business we did with the customer, that will be indicating by opportunity record here. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now, so it indicates
Sir, can you explain it, sir, one more time?
how much business or revenue generated from the customer. So this opportunity record contains the details of the name of the opportunity here, opportunity name, and the amount, how much revenue we have generated from the customer, close date, and what date we have generated the revenue over here, stage name, and the probability. All this information will be available inside this opportunity record here. So these are the three records will be generated by Salesforce, okay, upon converting the lead as our customer. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce is generating three records: an account record which contains basic details of the customer, a contact record which contains contact details of the customer, an opportunity record which describes the revenue and the products purchased by the customer over here. Okay, these are the three records are available which will be generating by Salesforce upon converting the lead as our customer. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now, till now, whatever the process we have discussed, this entire process is called as lead conversion process. Okay, this is called as lead conversion process. Okay, this is called as lead conversion process over here. Now, so in this case, it's a 100% common question in every interview. Could you please describe about lead conversion process? Now, you should be able to explain the complete process here. Let me explain that whole process here. How can we explain in the interview point of view? If anybody asks a question, could you please describe about lead conversion process? Then we can explain here. When coming to the organizations, each and every organization is offering either products or services. They may be offering either some set of products or they may be offering some services also. Once the products or the services are ready, in order to promote these products to the common people, they are going to be using the help of marketing team. In every organization, they are having the marketing team. Those people are going to be keep on promoting the products, okay, by using the various marketing channels. So when coming to the marketing team, they are conducting the various campaigns in order to promote that organization, in order to promote that organization products also. So during that campaigns, so many people are visiting, so many people are showing interest on the products. The people who are showing interest on your product or services, those are called as leads. So the leads are also called as prospect. These are also called as potential customer or potential buyer. So once the leads information has been captured by the marketing team, these leads information are passing to sales team. Okay, because with this one marketing team's job is over. Now the sales team jobs will start over here. Sales team will be collecting the leads information. They will start contacting the lead over the phone or by sending an email notification or by meeting the people directly by taking some appointment. Once we meet the people, we are giving the information about our organization. We are giving the information about our products also. We are giving the information about the new services what we are offering, new discounts what we are offering, new features what we are offering. Everything will be giving the whole information. So if required, we'll keep on follow up with the lead multiple times also over here. Once we are keep on following up with the lead, finally they will convincing the lead to buy our product. Once the lead person is ready to buy the product, we are converting the lead as our customer. Whenever we are converting the lead as a customer, Salesforce will generate three records. First one, an account record which contains basic details of the customer, a contact record which contains contact details of the customer, an opportunity record which contains the revenue information. This entire process is called as lead conversion process. Clear? Understood the concept now? This is the base. For every organization, this is the base process here. Okay? Now, marketing is the base and then sales. Okay, and then sales. Okay, clear? Now, so that's what here as part of this picture I have given this information. Reach. Now, reaching to that potential customers here. How? Potential customer means leads. Now, how to capture the leads here? Campaigns, right? This is nothing but our marketing process over here. Okay, this is nothing but our marketing process. Now, this is nothing but our marketing process over here. Once the leads has been getting collected, then we are going to be acquiring the customers. That means potential customers we are acquiring. That means what here? We are keep on meeting the people here. We are keep on communicating with the people over the phone, or we're sending the email notifications, or we are meeting the people directly. We are giving the required information. Finally, we are going to be converting the people as our customer. That means conversion. So convert those lead people as our customers. Now this will be taken care by whom? Sales department. This is nothing but our sales process.
Sales.
Clear? Now next, we have two more steps are available. Let's see. So now here in this case, now for example, we have captured few customers. Okay, we have captured few customers by selling out our products. For example, he is our customer here. Today he is purchasing some product. Whenever he is purchasing my laptop or a desktop or a mobile, definitely he will be raising some questions, right? Okay, yes, he will be raising some questions. The first question is, are you providing any warranty or not? Okay, are you providing any warranty or not? Because today I'm investing some 20,000 rupees to buy one of your mobile. So I will start utilizing that mobile product. Suppose tomorrow, if I'm facing any problem with this mobile, who is responsible? I need some assurance. I need some warranty here. Will you provide the warranty to me or not? If it is yes, then how long time will you provide that service? Okay, is it a chargeable? Is it a free? If it is free, how long time it is free? Okay, now we need to get some clarity here. For that one here, so now each and every customer is going to be expecting some assurance. Now, so in this case, for every customer, we are offering some assurance that, dear customer, today you are purchasing one of our product or you are utilizing one of our services. From now onwards, you are our valuable customer. If you are facing any problem with my product, then we are responsible people. We are responsible. We are ready to provide the service to you here. That too, we are ready to provide lifelong service to you. But from this lifelong service, first 2 years will be the free service to you. So that if you're facing any problem in the first 2 years, you no need to pay any amount. We are providing that service to you on free of cost. After the 2 years also, we are ready to provide the service that will be chargeable here. Depends upon the problem, depends upon the damage, depends upon the part replacement, we are charging some amount also over here. But for the first 2 years will be purely free service. If there is any major problem in the product, we are providing complete product replacement to you here. We are providing product to product piece here, complete replacement. Okay, now, so in this case here, we are giving some assurance to the customers as well. So now here in this case, this kind of assurance are called as SLA. This kind of assurance are called as SLA. That means service level agreements. Okay, service level agreements will be available. This warranty card, whatever we have, that warranty card is clearly describing to you. So now here these people are giving some assurance to you. If you are facing any problem, then please contact on this contact number. There is a toll-free number is available regarding our customer care. Raise a complaint over here. Or else you can go to the nearest service center is available. We can raise a complaint also over here. So they're giving some assurance to you in the form of warranty card that is indicating SLA, service level agreements here. Okay. Now, so in this case here, as part of this organization, suppose for example, I'm using the product from a Dell. Assume that this is the product, for example, here. I'm using the product from HP organization. Almost 8 months back, I have purchased this product here. They have given 2 years of warranty. Now, still I'm in the warranty period. Today, whenever I'm pressing my power button to reboot my laptop, it is not rebooting here. My system is not starting. My system is not rebooting. I don't know why. Till yesterday night, it is working very fine. But since today morning, when I press the power button, my laptop is not rebooting here. Then what can I do? Customer service here. That means here, how the people will know that I'm facing some problem. It's my responsibility. We have to inform to the organization, right, boss? I'm facing some problem with your product today here. We have to give that information. How can we give that information? What we can do? Generally, calls to whom?
By calling
Customer
the
care
service.
here. Okay, customer care over here. Now, so
Customer
now we
care.
can contact the customer care here over the phone. Then by making a call to the customer care, what will you do? We will explain the issue. That means we are raising a complaint here. Now that complaint is called as a case. That complaint is called as case. Now, so in this case here, what exactly the case? What it describes basically here? How can we describe a case? Detailed information of the problem, right? Exactly. So now,
Customer
when coming to the
complaint.
case describes the thing, but case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem, okay, which you are facing with the product or service. We have to give that detailed information. Why I'm using this word detailed is, for example, today I'm facing some problem with this laptop over here. The problem is what? When I press the power button, my laptop is not rebooting here. Now, I tried a lot with the various options also. Okay, maybe the adapter may be dead, it is not working properly. Maybe the charging point is not working properly. Maybe the power socket is not working properly. Maybe my system's battery may be dead. I don't know what exactly it is. I tried a lot over here. Then I'm giving the call to the customer care. I'm giving the information. Suppose if I'm giving the information, my laptop is not working simply, then how the people can understand what exactly the problem? They can't understand. Okay, now we have to give the detailed information. Dear customer support, okay, since almost 6 months I'm using this laptop, it is working very fine. Till yesterday night also have used this one, it is working very fine, there is no issue. But since today morning, when I press the power button, my laptop is not rebooting. Could you please give me some suggestions so that I can fix this problem? Now, then the customer support people will be suggesting some solution here. Maybe that adapter is not working properly. Maybe the power socket is not working properly. So just you can able to go to that different power socket and then try to charge that battery. Maybe the complete battery has been dead. Now they will be suggesting some solutions to you. With that solutions, we can able to fix our problem. Still, if the problem is persistent, if the problem is not resolved, then they will suggest you to go to the nearest service center. Those people will resolve your problem over. So in this case, what happened? We need to give the detailed information about the problem. Then only the customer care people can understand the problem. They will be giving the suitable solutions to you over here. So for that reason, upon giving the case, upon raising that complaint, we have to give the detailed information over here. Then only they can understand the problem. They can give the proper solution. Like the similar way, whenever we are visiting any hospital to consult the doctor regarding some health issue, we have to give the complete information. Simply if I said I'm not feeling well, then doctor can't understand what exactly the problem. We need to give the complete information, then only he can understand the problem, then he will be prescribing the proper medicines to you, so that we can cure our problems, we can cure our diseases also. So like the similar way here also, when coming to the case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with our product or service. Clear? Now tell me who will raise these cases? Customers. Okay. Now tell me how many cases a customer can raise? Only one or multiple? Multiple also. Today they can raise one case. Tomorrow maybe I'm facing one more problem, I will raise another case. Next week I will face one more problem, I will raise another case. Like that, a customer can raise one or more number of cases. Clear? Now let's see. Now tell me, these cases will be taken care by whom? Sales team.
Yes.
Who will receive these cases? Support team. That
No,
means service
support
team
teams.
over here. Okay, the support
Service.
team or service team over here. Now, so from here the service people's job is started. Now the sales team job is over because they have generated the revenue. They have sold out the product here. Now, if the customer is facing any problem, then now the service team will be came into the picture now. Okay, now. So now here in this case, let's see. Here from here, now we are having that service. Once the lead has been getting converted as a customer, if the customer is facing any problem, then we need to provide service over here. Okay, now. So now here by offering the proper solutions, by giving the proper service, we can maintain the customer to be always stay with us for a long time. In future, if the customer needs any more products, he will come to me again. Because of that, I will be getting some more references. I will be getting some more revenue also over here. So that we can maintain the very good credibility in the market, so that we can maintain our brand in the market as well here. Okay, now that's what here service is very, very important for every organization. And from there, once we are giving the services, keep on, we need to be in touch with the customer by conducting some feedback also. By collecting some feedbacks also, here we will need to collect that feedback from the customer. Based on the customer feedback, based on the customer's suggestion, we can able to improve our quality of services to the people as well. Okay, now, so now initially we are doing the marketing, sell out the product here, give the service. Again, do the marketing, collect some more customers, sell out the product, give the service, and then do the marketing again, capture some more customers, do the service, so that this organization is keep on moving around the customers always over here. So for every organization, okay, customer relationship management is the base, very, very important. Now the CRM process will be always starting from lead. Without the lead, we don't have customers, we don't have service, nothing. Okay, no business also at all. So that lead is the base from where exactly CRM process will be getting started. CRM process will be always started from lead. Okay, now. So now in this case here, let me give that information. Case is nothing but the detailed information. Case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with our product or service. With our product or service. So case is nothing but the detailed information of the problem which the customer is facing with our product or service. Done? Now. So now tell me, once I made a call to the customer care to raise a complaint, once my case has been getting registered, then what will be the next step? As an organization, we have received the case or the complaint from the customer. So as an organization, what we need to do now? What is our responsibility? We have to resolve that issue. That means we have to give the proper solution to the customer over here. So for that one, we are having our service team. We have some support engineers are available, service engineers and the service advocates are available. These people are keep on visiting the customer's locations. They're giving the proper solution to the customer so that customer can able to run their product as it is without any issues. So that here we are providing solution. Now tell me, how can we define the solution? Solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. In order to resolve the problem, in order to fix that problem, whatever the solution that we are going to prepare, the detailed step-by-step approach is called as solution. Okay, the detailed step-by-step approach of resolution of the case is called as solution. Okay, now, so in this case, solution is nothing but the detailed information of the resolution of the case. The detailed information of the resolution of the case. Now, who will provide the solution? Service team, right? The service team is going to be taking care of providing the solutions to the customers here. Okay, the service engineers, service advocates, these people are going to providing the solutions to the customer. Okay, now these are few important terminology which we are using as part of CRM process. As part of CRM process, these are few important terminology which we are going to use. Now, let me explain here the terminologies. Now, we have discussed campaign. We have discussed lead, account, contact, opportunity, solution. Like the similar way, to store all the products information, we are having product. To store each and every product, the price, that means price of the product, we are having price book. To store the multiple orders of the customer, online orders information, order. To store the contracts information, contract. To store the feedback information, feedback. Like that, here we are having so many terminologies are available over here. These are all of the terminologies of your Salesforce CRM. You can go to any CRM application, the similar kind of terminology will be available here. Now, so now these terminologies also called as objects in Salesforce. These are called as objects. In real world, these objects are nothing but tables. Okay, tables. In general terminology, we are calling it as a table, like as which contains some rows and columns. That is called as a table. Like the similar way, these are all are nothing but the tables inside your Salesforce CRM. These are all are objects. As part of general terminology, we are calling it as a tables. As part of CRM, this is called as objects. Lead is an object, campaign object, account object, contact object, opportunity object, case object, solution object, product object, price book object, order, contract, feedback. Like that, we have so many objects are available which we are using as part of CRM domain. As part of CRM domain, these are all are the various objects that we are using. These objects are nothing but tables of Salesforce. Okay. In the real world, these are calling it as a table. In general terminology, we are calling it as table. In our Salesforce, we are calling it as objects. Okay, these are all our objects of Salesforce. Clear up to this one? Understood the concept now? Now. So these are the various terms or the vocabulary that we are using as part of your CRM process and the CRM lifecycle over here. Okay, clear? Now. So now here this is the process will be happening as part of your CRM terminal, CRM process inside your Salesforce CRM application. Now, then how can we see this terminology? How to see these objects? How to convert the lead as a customer? I will show you practically in tomorrow's session. In tomorrow's session, we'll see how can we see these objects here. I will show you practically also. And then I will show you how can we convert the lead as a customer. And then how many records will be getting generated internally. We'll see that. And then tomorrow I'm going to discuss about one more feature called as releases. Okay, releases. Okay, releases. How frequently Salesforce is providing the new releases here. Generally, we are getting some new releases of every software, like as version 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, like that over here. Okay, now, and then how can we see the releases of Salesforce? What is the current release? What is the previous release? What is the upcoming release? Everything I will be giving this information. And then we'll see the concept of server instances. It's the most important feature here. Server instances, this is also called as a pod. point of deployment. Is also called as pod, point of deployment here. So what exactly the server instances here? We'll see, and then we'll see the concept of multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture. And then we have the concept of editions of Salesforce. What are the various editions are available in Salesforce? What is the difference between each and every edition? We'll see, and then we'll see the concept of creating our own Salesforce account. How to create your own Salesforce account, I will show you practically also over here. Okay, before going to the creating the Salesforce account, you should be aware of all this background process over here. Okay, whenever I'm creating the Salesforce account, what will happen behind the screen, everything we should be aware of first, and then only we can understand what will happen while creating the Salesforce account. So how to create your own Salesforce account, okay, which is a free account, which is a lifetime account, which cannot get expired lifelong, we can use that. How to create that Salesforce account, I will show you practically also over here. Okay, from there we'll be entering into the completely practical concepts over here. Tomorrow I will show you this process in one of my existing Salesforce account, and then in the next session I will show you how to create your own Salesforce account so that you can do the practice from there onwards. Okay, before going to your own Salesforce account, you should be able to understand all these architectural level concepts over here. Okay, clear now? So tomorrow we'll see the releases concept here, server instances, and then multi-tenant architecture also over here. Okay, if time permits, I will be taking up the editions also and creating your own Salesforce account as well. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for your
Firoz,
time.
can you just explain
Let's meet on tomorrow
this
at same timings
opportunity?
here. The timings will be the same. Okay.
Firoz, I have a doubt.
Sir, I
Yeah,
have a
just give me.
doubt.
Yeah, just give me.
I
Yeah, I will
mean,
be back. I will be back. Just give me. I will give the clarification for every question answer. Yeah, tell me. What is your question?
Sir, you said about the contact and the
Right.
account ID, correct?
Right.
In account ID, you have name, phone number, everything. Then what is the
Right.
use of contact ID?
Now, I will tell you that information tomorrow's session here because tomorrow I will be giving that information. So, what will be the relations between these objects over here? I will be giving that one. There, I will show you practically why we are maintaining the same phone number, fax number again inside the contact record also. Okay? Because
Okay,
if the customer is a single person, that means as the individual person, we can store the details directly. Suppose if the customer is an organization, at that time we have to maintain multiple contacts also over there. Okay, because multiple people will get involved, okay, during this opportunity generation, so that we need to maintain multiple contacts also.
so in this way,
can
you
you
can say can be a company and contact is someone who are working in that company, correct?
Right, exactly, right. Just give me.
Okay, okay.
Now,
Okay, sir.
can you explain this opportunity record once, Firoz?
now, basically, opportunity describes what products the customer has purchased because now we are storing the customer's data. So now this is the customer record we have generated. So now customer in the sense the person who purchased my products. So that what products the customer has purchased, how much quantity of products he has purchased, what is the revenue we have generated, and what date he has purchased the product. To store all this information, we are using opportunity record. So opportunity record contains the products information and the revenue information which we have generated from the customer.
Okay, what is the
Clear?
stage name probability?
Now,
Stage name and
the stage
probability.
and the probability is indicating how much confident that you are, okay, with this opportunity. Because sometimes we are keep on going to, we are converting that lead as a customer. Sometimes the customer is expecting some time also to make the payment. Okay, to make the payment, he needs some time also. At that time here, anyhow, we are converting that lead as a customer, but here we are indicating stage name will be, we are indicating that. So almost 80% he is working, but he needs some 2 days of time to release the budget so that we can deliver the products. For that reason, we are indicating stage name and the probability, which indicates how much confident that you are with this opportunity, whether you are able to generate the revenue from this customer, or okay, do we have any confidence, or how much confidence that we have, that we can indicate with the help of stage.
Okay, I mean we put this I mean field a stage name in
Right,
this opportunity record.
right.
Sir,
We
it means when
you'll be
he will
showing
make
in
the payment is called stage name, sir.
Right. Then we are going to be indicating that close in this particular stage name. We are indicating as closed won. We are giving the stage over here. We won the opportunity. We have generated the opportunity over here. That's one we are going to be using the stage name.
okay in practical I think we'll have more
Yeah, we'll show that
information
one.
on
Yes,
this.
practically we'll show you that complete information also. Don't worry.
Sir, in the lead conversion process, you have said like 5 stages, right? So in that, we have said that reach to acquisition, it is like a marketing. It will be handled by, and from the conversion, it will it will handled by
Sales team.
sales team.
Sales team. Sales
But
team.
what is the thing that from second stage to third stage, like acquisition, to acquire the customers, to convert the customers, who will control this stage, sir?
Now this will be the sales team, because here the marketing team is going to be okay reaching out to the potential customers here. Then we are going to be acquiring the potential customers. Once the potential customers has been acquired, that means captured, we are going to be converting these leads as our customers by using this lead conversion process by the sales team. Now, once the leads has been getting converted as a customers, from there to make the lead to make the customer to be happy, to make the customer to be always stay with us for a long time, we are giving the proper solutions. Okay, by using the service team.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, this CRM process is standard across any software you take, whether it
Any
is
software application,
PeopleSoft,
yes, any software
SAP,
application, they will be having
any
the same. Anywhere you will be having the same similar kind of process will be available.
similar or okay. Okay. So this is a standard CRM process,
This is the
ideally.
standard CRM process. According to your business, you can able to make some more changes also. You can incorporate some more stages also inside that.
Some more levels you mean to say.
Yes, right.
Sir,
Okay.
acquisition means taking the customer details and reaching out to him through phones and emails is called acquisition, sir.
Right. Exactly.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Capturing the people's information, and then acquisition is nothing but we are capturing those details here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. Let's meet on tomorrow at same time. Use the same meeting link for this entire week.
Tomorrow class also free.
Yes, you can attend the
Okay.
session till this week also. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.